20 years ago, people had no exposure. Now people have 5, 10%. Every sort of industry study you see expects to see that continue to grow, which is why so many managers are investing in building out capabilities. Where do you see the limits for privates?
Fundamentally, I think there is more demand for capital than there is supply. And now as we go into this interesting period, sort of post-COVID with inflation running and certainly regulators pulling back on the banks because they want them healthy, you're seeing that demand for capital go into the private markets. I know there are investors and allocators who think, wow, there's so many different managers out there. This has got to be a bubble. And I think if you go then look under the underlying portfolios, you look at the covenants that these have. Most private debt is bilateral. There's covenants, there's good structures, there's the ability to repay the loan. If you think about all of that, I think it's a very different world than banks. I think the asset class has a lot more room to grow. We think, this is a $3 to $5 trillion asset class in the next 5 to 10 years.